Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Jacuzzi J300 filter is probably one of the most important components of your hot tub, working tirelessly to keep the water clean and inviting. Without a properly functioning filter, your spa experience could quickly turn unpleasant. In this video, we'll dive into the world of the Jacuzzi J300 filter, exploring its vital role in maintaining water quality and ensuring your hot tub remains a relaxing oasis. Number 5. Tier 1 Pool and Spa Filter Cartridge. This Tier 1 filter cartridge is a direct replacement for several models, including Jacuzzi and POOLPURE. It's designed to fit various spa and pool systems, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. This makes it a versatile choice for your filtration needs. The pleated fabric design maximizes filtration, capturing unwanted particles. This filter effectively removes hair, leaves, dust, and other debris, ensuring your water stays clean and inviting. It's a key component for maintaining a healthy and enjoyable pool or spa. With 60 square feet of filter media, it offers a large capacity for trapping impurities. The durable fabric is washable and designed for high flow, providing efficient filtration. This ensures the water is clean and clear. This filter cartridge is designed to fit systems with specific dimensions. Installing it is easy, and it performs just as well as the original. You'll find it simple to replace and maintain. It's recommended to replace the filter when the pressure gauge reaches 8 psi above the initial reading. This simple maintenance step helps to keep your pool or spa water clean and clear. Following this will extend the life of the filter. Tier 1 filters undergo rigorous testing to ensure quality and performance. This filter is built to last and deliver excellent results. It provides great value without compromising on quality. What we like. This filter's high-flow design ensures efficient water circulation. The durable and washable fabric means it can be cleaned and reused, saving you money. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective filter, this is a great choice. What people say. Same fit as the higher price ones. Works fine in my jacuzzi. They fit my Jacuzzi J300 perfectly. Number 4. POOLPURE PLF6CH 960 Spa Filter 2-Pack. Introducing the POOLPURE PLF6CH 960 Spa Filter, designed to keep your spa water crystal clear. This filter is a compatible replacement for various models, ensuring a perfect fit for your spa. This filter boasts impressive specifications, including a 14.78-inch length and 60 square feet filtration area. The top handle and 2 SAE threaded bottom make it easy to install and maintain. The POOLPURE PLF6CH 960 is compatible with several models, including POOLPURE PJW60TL, F2S and Unisol 6CH 960. Please note that this is a compatible replacement, and the original manufacturer's names are for reference only. Rest assured, this filter is NSF/ANSI 50 certified, guaranteeing safe material usage. It effectively removes hair, leaves, dust, and other fine particles, ensuring clean water. The unique trilobal filtration fabric enhances the surface area, optimizing back pressure. This ensures consistently clean and clear water for your pool or spa. The trilobal fabric simplifies the cleaning process. For optimal performance, clean the cartridges monthly, depending on usage. This filter is designed for your convenience. What we like. This filter is NSF/ANSI 50 certified, guaranteeing safe material usage. The trilobal filtration fabric enhances the surface area, optimizing back pressure. If you value clean and safe water, you should consider this filter. What people say. They work well, and last a long time. These filters work for our spa but do not have removable caps like the originals did, so I can't fill the spa through the filter as recommended. These filters are great for our hot tub. Great quality, great price. Number 3. POOLPURE PLF6CH 960 Spa Filter. Introducing the POOLPURE PLF6CH 960 Spa Filter, designed for optimal performance. This filter is a reliable replacement for various models, ensuring your spa water stays pristine. This filter boasts a length of 14.78 inches and an outside diameter of 6.58 inches. It features a handle at the top and 2 SAE threaded connections at the bottom, with a filtration area of 60 square feet. The PLF6CH960 is compatible with several models, including Pliatco PJW60TL, F2S and Unisol 6CH960. Please note that this is a compatible replacement, and the original manufacturer's names are for reference only. This filter is NSF/ANSI 50 certified, guaranteeing safe material usage. It effectively removes hair, leaves, dust, and other fine particles down to 50 microns. The unique trilobal filtration fabric enhances the surface area, optimizing back pressure. This ensures consistently clean and clear water for your pool or spa. The fabric simplifies the cleaning process. For optimal performance, clean the cartridge monthly, depending on usage. This will keep it working at its best. What we like. This filter is NSF/ANSI 50 certified, guaranteeing safe material usage. The trilobal filtration fabric enhances the surface area, optimizing back pressure. If you value clean and safe water, you should consider this filter. What people say. These filters are a perfect fit for my Jacuzzi J300. Well made. Great quality. They were a perfect fit and provided the filtration that is required. Perfect fit in Jacuzzi J300. Number 2. POOLPURE Spa Filter for PJW60TL OT F2S 2-pack. This POOLPURE Spa Filter is NSF/ANSI 50 certified, ensuring top-notch quality and safety. Trusted to provide crystal clear, purified water, enhancing your spa experience. Dive into unmatched relaxation with this filter. This filter has a length of 15.12 inches and a filtration area of 60 square feet. It features a removable handle and 2 SAE thread open at the bottom. The filter material is made of trilobal filtration fabric. This filter is designed to fit models like PJW60TL, OT, F2S and Unisol 6CH961. Please note that this is a compatible part. The original manufacturer's names and part numbers are for reference only. POOLPURE is an independent brand. The filter uses innovative dirt-locking technology to capture more contaminants. It efficiently removes hair, leaves, dust, sediment, and sand. This ensures a clean and refreshing spa experience for you. The trilobal fabric structure makes cleaning easy, releasing impurities after each wash. For optimal performance, it's recommended to clean the cartridges once a month. This will keep it working great. The filter's unique trilobal filtration fabric structure captures a large volume of contaminants. It's designed for easy cleaning and maintenance. With proper care, you can expect a service life of 1 to 2 years. It offers top-notch quality at an affordable price. What we like. The removable handle makes installation and removal a breeze. The dirt-locking technology captures more contaminants. If you want a filter that is easy to maintain and provide superior filtration, this is the one for you. What people say. Excellent quality and finish, solidly made. This is my new go-to filter, works perfectly in a Jacuzzi J300 hot tub. These are very efficient. These held up through vigorous use, and about 3 cleanings before we had a water issue and had to change them. Number 1. Tier 1 Jacuzzi J300 Replacement Filter Cartridge. Introducing the Tier 1 Filter Cartridge, designed to keep your pool or spa water pristine. This replacement filter is made with high-quality pleated fabric, ensuring maximum filtration efficiency. The durable fabric has a tight porosity and dense weave. It effectively removes unwanted particles like hair, leaves, and sediment, providing clean and clear water. This filter is designed to fit systems using a 6.58-inch outside diameter and 15.12-inch length filter. It is a perfect replacement for your existing cartridge. Installing this filter is a breeze, and it performs just as well as the original. Remember to replace it when the pressure gauge reaches 8 psi above the initial reading. Tier 1 filters undergo rigorous testing to ensure top-notch performance. This filter is built to last and provides excellent value for your money. What we like. This filter's high-flow design ensures efficient water circulation. The durable and washable fabric means it can be cleaned and reused, saving you money. If you're looking for a reliable and cost-effective filter, this is a great choice. What people say. Great replacement for OEM filters. Seems to be an exact fit and seems to work fine. These Tier 1 replacement filters for my Jacuzzi hot tub are identical to the Jacuzzi branded product and less expensive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.